All right, why is everyone buying this MERACH magnetic rowing machine? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon right now. It's selling around 4,000 units every single month, and it's being rated very highly. Why is that happening? So first off, before I even get into it, I want to say, look at this. I just think this is sweet the way you store it, how it just automatically stands upright like that. Has wheels on the front as well, so easy to wheel around for storage. But let's go ahead and set this down. Bring this down. And let's lock our feet in. So you put your feet in here, and you want it to fit around your feet, so you're going to undo that and then pull it tight. And I'm going to do it over here too. It's a little bit tighter, too tight over here. Pull that, tighten that up. Now that's tightened up. So we can come in here, row, very smooth and also very quiet. Like I've used rowing machines that are like really loud. This one is just very smooth, very quiet, like extremely quiet. And so you come in right here. There's different levels of resistance. Total of 16 levels. That is going to bring it to the lowest level, make it easier. This is going to make it as hard as it goes. And there's also the digital one. If you get the digital one, that's going to be a little bit different. This is the manual one. You come up here. It scans through time, CNT, distance, calorie, in that one as well. So, oh, and then also it comes with an app. So if you come right here, scan your phone on that, and you'll be able to download an app. It has courses, classes available that come with it. A lot of those apps, they require subscription fees. This one comes with the machine, so it's not an extra fee. So that's insane. And but yeah, dude, I think this thing, MERACH is taking over Amazon. All sorts of different products where they're just flying off the shelves, and this is no different. And I see why everyone loves it. Highly recommend.